What is going on, guys? It is Joe and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today is Sunday, April 11th, which means we are just under 6 weeks out from our first show on May 29th. That means that the time is ticking. We're getting closer and closer, so we must start taking this diet a little bit more seriously. So for breakfast, that means we're having some blueberry protein pancakes. I mean, come on, appreciate the size, the girth of these bad boys. That is what she said.
That's what she said.
Total calories for this meal right here are 636 calories. Overall macros is 59 grams of protein, 90 grams of carbs, 11 grams of fiber, and 9 grams of fat. Decided to mix it up today from the usual French toast business in the morning and go with a little blueberry protein pancake action. Gonna go ahead and pour over this syrup right here and give these bad boys a little bit of a taste test. Got a little blueberry, a little syrup, a little pancake. Full recipe for this bad boy will be in the description down below. Pretty simple as far as how you make it. You throw everything into a blender, blend it up, and cook that bad boy on the skillet. But another day, another vlog, another episode of this series. Go ahead, sit back, relax, take some notes, observe the amazing foods you're allowed to eat while still getting shredded. See you guys as the day rolls on. Alrighty, we just got back from the gym, showered up, now going on to a big ass salad right here. 318 calories for this entire thing. We have here around 150 grams of baby spinach, 200 grams of cucumber, a serving of sliced mushroom, 2 servings of sweet chili G-Hues, and then 2 servings of sweet and spicy barbecue G-Hues as well as around 4 ounces of salmon. I did have 4 just regular rice cakes before the workout to give me some carbs and some energy. I did hit a pull day as well as knock out 45 minutes of cardio for the entire day. So workout cardio is complete. Our total calories for the entire day is 1,116 calories. Overall protein, 95 grams of protein, 145 grams of carbs, 16 grams of fiber, and 19 grams of fat. So overall, we are pretty low calorie for the entire day. So I'm gonna eat this salad and fill me up. It's a Sunday, it's a relaxing kind of day. Chill, do some work, get my schedule set for the entire week. Really just chill out today, nothing really too crazy. I am planning to make some protein donuts later today, so stay tuned for that. As for now, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this salad, but let's give this a little bit of a taste test. I did actually forget to mention that we did have 1 bag of cauliflower rice, which is actually 80 calories, so you gotta make sure that you include things like that, bringing our total calorie to 1,196 calories. As well as incorporating some Diet Coke. If you guys are trying to get lean, a little bit of a tip, drink your diet sodas. Anything carbonated gives you the bubbles, gets you feel nice and full. Definitely curbs the appetite a little bit, especially while being in a calorie deficit. Now we're going to eat this and I will see you guys as the day rolls on. Alrighty, as you can see here, we are having this lovely little Built Bar right here. 130 calories, bringing our total caloric intake to 1,326. Overall macros for the entire day, 120 grams of protein, 179 grams of carbs, 30 grams of fiber, and 21 grams of fat. This is my little pre-snack to an egg white quesadilla with some toast, something that I made previous on the channel. This thing is absolutely delicious. Make sure you give this thing a shot. If you don't know the recipe for this, well then watch some of my previous videos. Watch them now. Alrighty, check this out, ladies and gentlemen. I think I have really nailed in this egg white quesadilla. At first, I'll be honest, me and this egg white quesadilla, we didn't have that good of a relationship. But I really think I figured out the measurements here, okay? 1 cup of egg whites. That's all you really need. You don't need more than 1 cup. We have here 2 servings of fat-free cheese with some onion and some bell pepper. You can add the veggies in there if you want. You cannot. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do. The 1 cup of egg whites seems to be enough where it's not too much egg white and it's able to fold real easily, because if I use more than 1 cup of egg whites, the folding into the quesadilla part was just being a bitch. And I couldn't do it. Alongside with it, we also have 2 slices of Wonder Bread with, I can't believe it's not butter spray, as well as a cup of coffee as well. I'm also gonna add on here some ketchup on this quesadilla because why the heck not? Definitely not adding more than 2 servings of this bad boy on here, so I just accounted for just 2 full servings of this, even though I might use less. Total calories for this, by the way, is only 375 calories. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, only 375. I could have added more bread if I wanted to. to. I could have added something else in this quesadilla, maybe little bacon bits. It's completely customizable, whatever you want to do. Calories for the entire day are 1701. Total macros for the entire day, 167 grams of protein, 214 grams of carbs, 32 grams of fiber, and 23 grams of fat. Fat is honestly very, very low today. I don't have an issue with it. I don't really care about counting macros. I just care about my overall caloric intake, making sure I'm staying around 2,400 calories for this cut. That's enough chit chat. Let's go ahead and give this egg white quesadilla a little bit of a taste test right here. Look at that formation of it, the shape looking good. Oh baby, this thing right here just triumphs over Starbucks egg white bites. Doesn't even compare. Not on the same level at all. A piece of toast action. Watch, check the, oh, look at that cheese pull, baby. Watch, check this out. Even if you want to get a little freaky with it, take the egg white quesadilla, take the toast, and bada bing, bada boom. Eat this, and I'll see you all as the day rolls on. Alrighty, so we're in the kitchen here. We are making some protein donuts right here. We have all the ingredients. Pretty simple as far as the actual batter goes. Hardest part is just measuring all of it. I will leave the full recipe for this bad boy in the description down below, but pretty simple. I just threw everything into this lovely Ninja blender, which then I will pour into some donut sheets and then shove right into the air fryer. So we got a lot of moving pieces here. When the finished product is done, I will show you then. Again, full recipe for this guy will be in the description down below. But as for now, I need to focus. There's a lot going on right here, so give me a minute. Alrighty, so that batter went ahead and made 24 donuts. I have some still cooking in the air fryer, and I have some right here as well. So total calories in the 24 donut batch is 1,185 calories. It is 168 grams of protein, 91 grams of carbs, 21 grams of fiber, and then 14 grams of fat. I'm gonna go ahead and have 7 donuts, which is gonna be 346 calories, putting my total caloric intake at 2,047 calories. Right here is basically what one of the donuts looks like, around 50 calories nearly for one donut right here. So I'm gonna give just this guy without any sort of frosting or glaze on it a little bit of a taste test. Oh my goodness gracious. Alrighty, here is the final product of this bad boy right here. Around 20 grams of Hershey's sugar-free chocolate chips, as well as around 100 grams of Greek yogurt with some sweetener in it mixed around for the frosting. Now I just feel like Greek yogurt really is the quarterback of anabolic recipes. I mean, you put some Greek yogurt, you put some sweetener in there, you make it nice and sweet. It can act as a frosting, it can act as a sour cream. In this case, we're using it as a frosting with this bad boy on there. I mean, look at that. Let's go ahead and give this a little bit of a taste test. Oh my goodness gracious. So with the frosting and the chocolate chips, my calories are now 2196. Overall macros are 226 grams of protein, 256 grams of carb, 46 grams of fiber, and 33 grams of fat. I still have room for about maybe one more snack before bed, so I will update you when that comes around. Okay, so I'm actually deciding to wrap the video up here. After those donuts, I let the food settle for a little bit and decided, you know what, I'm satisfied. I am full. I do not need any more food for the entire day. So my calories, they are where they are. I don't need to push and try and hit 2,400. If I fall a little bit short, that's okay. I'll accept a little bit of a bigger deficit. I had plenty of protein throughout the entire day. So I'm calling it a night, basically. What I'm going to do is edit this video, have it up for tomorrow, and then tomorrow spend another day recording to post a video for Tuesday, so the following day basically. But yeah, after those donuts, I was full, I was satisfied, I don't need any more food, I'm good. I'm just gonna go ahead here and sip on my tea, edit this video, and then go to bed basically. Give that donut recipe a shot, it is absolutely delicious. Add the Greek yogurt, add the sugar-free chocolate chips on there, makes it just that much better. That, wrapping the video up here, please leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you guys are new. It's been your boy Joe, peace.